Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'll be doing a detailed step-by-step video on how to prepare spicy baked chicken. So continue watching. Also leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. So let's start this video. So the first step is to section your chicken. Clean it up using lemon juice or vinegar or both. Then remove the excess skins and fat. So once your chicken is now clean, nice and dry, you are going to season up with your powder seasonings. So once you add all the seasonings, make sure you put on the gloves and massage the seasonings very well into the chicken. So now you want to cover and let it sit and marinate for at least 1 hour, or you can go ahead and put it in your preheated oven on 380 degrees. So you want to make sure to grease your baking tin with butter before adding the chicken, and this will give your chicken a nice, soft and juicy texture. Okay guys, so now that your chicken is in the oven, you want to leave it there for approximately 45 minutes. So during this time, you can prepare your vegetables and your ground seasonings to put on your chicken. Okay guys, so now it's time to prepare the sauce. So I went in with some ketchup. I'm also adding a bit of browning. I went in with a cup of water, and then I'm going in with some honey for flavor. Then I'm going to combine everything. So once I combine everything, I then remove the chicken from the oven. Then I'm going to pour the sauce, the vegetables, the seasonings over the chicken. Then I'm gonna add it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes so that the chicken can absorb all of this juice and flavor from these seasonings. So this is it guys, this is the end result after 20 minutes. So guys, please comment, like, share, and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching guys, and remember, subscribe, like, comment, share. Also, I served this baked chicken with some rice and peas and vegetables, and let me tell you something guys, it was good. So give it a try, come back and let me know how it worked out for you. Bye, peace out.